Psalm chapter 56 verse 8 says, "You have collected all my tears in your bottle. You have recorded each one in your book." My dear friends, no matter what you faced till this very moment, that rejection, that betrayal, that backstab from your best friend, that disownment from your family, nothing matters, my dear friends, because God has seen it. God has saved your tears in his bottle, and God promises justice. When the time is right, my dear friends, you will see how beautifully your entire story comes together, including this trauma, including this heartbreak, including this betrayal. Trust God, my dear friends. Wipe off those tears and know that God is comforting you, consoling you, and counseling you for a better tomorrow. Please follow and subscribe to Pit to Palace Ministries by Rosalind Thomas.